In this video, I wanted to do something a little bit different, and instead of giving you a tutorial or showing you how to write a blog or taking you through one of these processes in detail, I wanted to just update you with some of the new things that Writecream has going on. At the moment, I'm in the dashboard, and we can use these menus down here in order to navigate, but it's actually this main list that I'm interested in. Now, instead of clicking on one of these options to filter what's below, what I'd like to do is just scroll down to the bottom, and you can see we've got these 6 new options. The first one is the paraphraser, and with the paraphraser what you can do is rewrite some text. So all you've got to do is cut and paste into here a block of text. It might be a product description from a website such as Alibaba, and all you're going to do is put that text in there, hit paraphrase, and it's going to rewrite the content for you. Now, this is really useful if you want to save time and the information you've got has everything that you want to say in it, but you need to say it in another way. Just remember, you hit paraphrase, and what that's going to do is it's going to cost you a credit. The next option we've got here is email copy. If I click on this one, what it's going to do is take a few key points and turn it into a complete email for you. Again, you've just got to list the key points you want. You've got up to 300 characters here, and then you just change the level of creativity, hit generate, which again is going to cost you a credit, and you have an email written for you. Now, with all of these softwares, you need to make sure that you're checking, fact checking, and making sure that it's got a good level of readability. And you probably want to add some additional details or links or things like that, but this is going to save you a huge amount of time when it comes to writing emails. On to the next option then. Back here at the bottom of the dashboard, and we're going to click on the plagiarism checker. Now, all you've got to do here to check for content plagiarism is put the content in. So if you've got somebody who you're paying, a copywriter, and you want to check that the content is good, you can paste it into here, click the button, and it will check for plagiarism. You've got a lot more space in this particular box. It doesn't give you a character limit, it just counts them for you. Remember, you hit check plagiarism, you're going to get charged, but it says here it checks against billions of web pages, and you can see if something's being plagiarized or not. You can go back to your copywriter or wherever you've taken the text from and make sure that you're not plagiarizing and you're not going to get in trouble for that. Let's head back to the dashboard for the next one. Next one we've got here is the article writer. Okay, you've got to go through these 4 steps and it will generate a complete blog article for you. This is actually a tool that we're going to be doing a more detailed video on. So if you're interested in seeing this one work in more detail and want to show how the credits are used up so you can look after your credits and make sure they go as far as possible, then subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that video that's going to be coming out. But a really interesting tool, this one. Simple 4 steps and you've got your article written. Let's head back to the dashboard. Next one, if you're not looking for a full article and you just need a paragraph, then we've got the paragraph generator. Click on it here and it's very simple, this one. You're just going to place in a topic. You've got 100 characters, hit generate, you'll get charged a credit, but you will get yourself a paragraph on a particular topic. So this tool does have a YouTube channel description creator, but if you wanted something short like that, just a paragraph that will go for a description, then this might be a tool that you want to check out within Writecream. Let's head back to the dashboard again, see what we've got next. Alright, the last new tool we've got here is actually create your own tool. This is a really interesting one that we're going to be exploring, and again, we're going to drop a video on this if it's useful for you. But all you've got to do is name the tool yourself. Give it the instructions, what you want to happen. So the example here is translate English to French. You've got 200 characters there. Input and output. And then as you can see, we get provide a couple of examples of what you're expecting. So you have to give some examples there. And then it will go ahead and you will be able to create your new tool and be able to test out how it works. Not a lot of guidance on this one here. We're going to be talking to Writecream about how to use it and come back to you, because this could actually be incredibly powerful if you are able to create your own tool to meet your specific copywriting needs. As I said, we're going to be producing a video on this soon, so subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification if you want to see that. So that's everything that is new at the moment this month in Writecream. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to learn how to write a full blog in Writecream, you should be able to see a video that's just popped up on the screen now. All you got to do is click that video, watch it, and you'll learn exactly how to use this software to produce a blog post for your website in as few credits as possible. We'll see you in the next video.